Friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can set ringtone on Samsung. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So here to set your ringtone, here you have to click on setting. Okay, so here you can see the setting, just click on setting. When you click on setting, you have to scroll down and here you can see the option of the sound and vibration. Okay, so friends, here you have to click on sound and vibration. When you click on sound and vibration, from here you can see the option of the ringtone, so just click on ringtone. So friends, from here you can set ringtones. Okay, and friends, you can set from download also. If you want to set downloaded ringtone, here on the corner upside you can see the plus icon, just click on the plus icon. Then from here you can allow music, audio, and then after that from here you can select ringtones. Okay, the call recording or ringtones or downloaded sound music. Okay, you can set from here. Okay, so I just click on the back button. And friends, if you want to remove your ringtone, you can see the first option is the silent. So from here you can remove your ringtone. And friends, you can control your volume also from here. Okay, see. Okay, so this is how you can set ringtone and control your ringtone on your Samsung mobile phone. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.